Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how you can use your nail art brushes and tools for doing nail art. The first one over here is the dotting tool, then we have the liner or the striping brushes, the flat brushes, then there are the detail brushes, and we have the fan brushes. Beginning with the only dotting tool that we get along with these brushes. Now this dotting tool has an elongated tip, unlike other dotting tools which I'm showing over here which has a rounded tip. So this elongated tipped dotting tool can be used for doing water marble. For water marble, all you need is room temperature water and fresh polishes of your choice. The fresh polishes spread easily in the water, the old ones might not spread. So just make the bullseye as I'm doing over here. And then using this dotting tool you can easily create any design of your choice. Here I'm making a basic design. And because the tip is elongated and not rounded, it is really easy to work with it on this design. You can create designs having many fine lines because this tool is easier to work with compared to a toothpick, and you can create really fine designs using this tool. And once when you are happy with the design, all you need to do is dip in your finger with the base polish, and you can again use this tool to remove off the excess of polish all around, but it is always better to use a Q-tip because you will be spending time cleaning up the tool. And here you can see you have such a beautiful water marble design. All you need to do is clean up and apply a layer of glossy top coat. These dotting tools can also be used for creating dots, like over here I am creating on the center of the flowers. You can also use these to create fine dots around any design which you have created, or making a pattern of dots from big to small. And this dotting tool can also be used to create small leaves on flower designs which you may ever make. Now coming to the next tool, which are the liner or the striping brushes. You get various lengths and various thickness of these brushes. Basically these are the three brushes which you might get. The longest brush can be used for creating longitudinal stripes or horizontal stripes. You can also use them for creating zigzag patterns or crisscross patterns. Because of the length of the brush, it is very easy to use. You can also create these stacking kind of designs. And if you want to make a thicker line, then you can create two thin lines and fill in polish inside the two lines to get a thicker line, as I have shown over here. You can also use them for creating dots. Just in case you don't have a dotting tool around, you can create dots easily using these liner brushes. And here's the tip: if your liner brush is too thick, you can easily trim off some of the bristles as I'm showing over here. Just rotate the brush and trim off from all around. Take little by little so that you get the brush of the size that you want. And once you're happy with the size, you can use these liner brushes and you can create designs like I'm doing over here, some zebra print design. And the thinner brushes can be used for creating these finer designs. Next are the angular straight flat brushes. So these flat brushes can come as straight faced or they can have an angle to the bristles, and I got a lot of these brushes. So mainly these flat brushes can be used for doing acrylic painting on the nails, like I'm doing a red and white petal flower. I'm not really good at using these brushes for painting, so I mainly use them as cleanup brush. So in this way you can do dual colored petals on your nails like I'm showing over here. And these brushes can also be used as a cleanup brush. Just dip it in nail polish remover or acetone and clean up the sides of the nail after water marble or after stamping nail polish. And especially the angular brushes which you get, these are very good for cleaning up really close to the cuticle area because they have a more precise tip, and I mainly use them for this purpose only. The next set of brushes are the detail brushes. You have the straight one and you have the angled one. These straight brushes can be used for creating flowers as I'm showing over here. Take like a little polish and just draw the lines. Now these have really small tips, so it is easier to make the flowers, and this angled one can be used for creating these kind of small petaled flowers. You have to just tap it on the nail and you get the shape of the flower. It's really easy to work with these brushes. You can also use them to create leopard prints. Just make some patches and border them with some black color and you have the leopard print. You can also add details on the flowers with these brushes, like I'm adding some lines over here on this flower. And you can also cut them thin like I have done over here, and if you are fond of filigree work, you can easily create fine filigree work using these detailed brushes after trimming them off a little bit, because mainly you will get some thick detailed brushes. For thinner ones you may have to buy them separately. So after trimming them off you can easily create filigree work. And these detail brushes also have another use, which is writing on your nails. Like over here I am going to write on my water marble nails. So using this detail brush here I am writing in running writing, and it will look like it has been stamped on the nail. All you need to do is apply a layer of glossy top coat over it and you get a design which looks like a stamping design. So these detail brushes are really good for writing on the nails. You can also use these brushes to create the XOXO kind of letters like those which we see on stamping plates, and it's really easy to make these patterns using this detail brush. And the last brushes that I have are the fan brushes. These are absolutely essential for ombre nail art. If you don't have sponge, you can use these fan brushes. Just take 2 to 3 polish colors. Here I am taking 2. Dip the fan brush in them. Swipe them a couple of times, and all you need to do is apply that on the nail having a base polish, and you can get these beautiful ombre patterns. Repeat the process till you get the color of your satisfaction, and it is really easy using these fan brushes to create these ombre kind of nails. And after creating the ombre, all you need to do is apply a layer of glossy top coat for the perfect finish. These fan brushes can also be used to pick up glitter or micro beads and to put them on your nails. Just apply a layer of glossy top coat. Here I have not applied glossy top coat, but if you do so, all the micro beads will stick on your nails, and you can also use them to pick up glitter and use them. It's really easy to clean these nail art brushes. All you need is some nail polish remover and wipe them off using tissue or cotton, and you have a clean brush. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.